Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mercedes Benz 560 SEC AMG, and this one is really hard to get, at least here in India. I know there is one more version which is the black version, so we didn't get it here so far. No. So if anyone from India got their hands on the black one, just drop me in the comments because I just want to see how that one looks. So first let's unbox this and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions are this looks really nice. The paint job looks really nice. I don't see much of any irregularities or anything in the paint job, except for this place here. It looks like a minor I hope you guys can see it. And good that they actually put the logo there, instead of just painting it. It's embossed here. And the headlights are painted, taillights are also painted, but it has some decent detailing on paint job and everything. See, there's some good paint job, good detailing here actually, the speakers and everything. And it doesn't have the windshield on the sides. I don't know if that's an error in mine or everyone got like this. So if this is an error, I want you guys to tell me because I didn't know. I even bought a few for my group, but I never checked this particular thing. Okay, the rims are pretty basic. It's nothing special here. Okay, let's do a roll test. Oh my god, this one is the worst. It wobbles a lot. I think you guys can able to see it. It's just the entire car just rolls. I mean, technically I'm talking, it rolls like this. This is the worst so far we unboxed this week. Okay. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.